In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Figma slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export a Figma slide deck as a PowerPoint file or a PDF and save it to your computer without losing your layout. First, head to Figma's home. Make sure you're signed in and that you have access to the team or project where your slide deck lives. From home, look through your recent files or navigate to the correct project, then open the slide deck you want to download. You'll know you're in a slides file when you can move through slides rather than design frames. With the deck open, look to the very top left corners of the Figma window and click the Figma icon. This opens the main application menu with options related to your file. In that menu, go to Files. Inside this section, find the option that says Export Slides to. This is where you choose the format you want for your download. You'll see two common choices, PPTX and PDF. Pick PPTX if you plan to present in PowerPoint or Google Slides, or if you want to keep editing text, rearranging slides, or adding speaker notes later. Choose PDF if you need a lightweight, shareable document that preserves the exact appearance of your slides for print or read-only reviews. PDFs are great for handouts and for sharing with people who don't need to edit the content. Once you've selected the format, click Export. Figma will prepare your file in the background. If your deck has a lot of slides or large images, this step might take a moment, so don't worry if you see a brief progress indicator. When the export is ready, your system's download dialog will appear. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, give it a clear name if needed, and click Save. If your browser is set to download automatically, it may go straight to your default downloads folder. Just check there if you don't see a prompt. That's it. Your slide deck is now exported. You can open the saved PPTX in PowerPoint or import it into Google Slides, and you can open the PDF in any standard viewer. If something doesn't look quite right, double-check fonts and image resolution in your original Figma file. Replacing missing fonts or using higher resolution images can improve results. Also, remember that interactive elements or animations created in Figma may not carry over to static formats, so plan for that when choosing your export type. You've successfully downloaded your Figma slides, ready to share, present, or archive.